Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Mulebuy step by step in a simple and easy way. So before we begin, let's quickly talk about what Mulebuy is and why it is important. So Mulebuy is a shopping agent that lets you order products from online stores that usually don't ship directly to your country. So instead of missing out, you can use Mulebuy to buy those items and have them shipped to you all in one place. So to get started, the first thing that you need to do here is to create an account. Go to the Mulebuy website and sign up using your email. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. So this is where you can track your orders, manage your balance, and handle your shipments. Next, you need to find the product that you want to buy. Usually, you'll go to a shopping site and copy the product link. So to get the product link, follow these steps. First, search for Mulebuy spreadsheet on Google and tap on the link that says Mulebuy spreadsheet. So once you open it, scroll down until you see the section that says browse using the buttons below. And from there, select the shoes option. Inside that section, you can choose any item that you want. So for this example, you just pick one randomly. After selecting a product, click the button that says open Mulebuy link. After that, you'll be redirected to Mulebuy, where the product details will load automatically, and then you'll be able to see the price, available options, and images of the item. So once the product shows up, choose the correct options like size, color, or quantity. Then click the button to add it to your cart or proceed to order. So at this stage, you'll need to pay for the item first, so that Mulebuy can purchase it on your behalf. After placing your order, Mulebuy will buy the item and have it shipped to their warehouse. And when it arrives, they usually provide photos so that you can track the item. So this helps you confirm that everything looks correct before sending it to your address. And if everything looks good, the next step is arranging shipping. So just go to your warehouse section, select your items, choose a shipping method, and proceed. So this part is quick, so just pick the option that works best for you. And before finalizing everything, double check your shipping address, then pay for the shipping fee. And once that's done, Mulebuy will pack your items and then send them out. And finally, all you need to do here is to wait for your package to arrive. You can track your shipment using the tracking number provided in your account. And that's basically how you use Mulebuy. It might feel a bit confusing, but once you try it once, it becomes much easier. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.